Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IGNOU Mentor, and our today's topic is postgraduate diploma agribusiness project. Okay, so we'll discuss about how you can make the project if you have enrolled for postgraduate diploma agribusiness. Okay, so I'm directly taking you to the guideline of this project work, which is here. Okay, so basically the project work is called MAMP-058, right? You can search MAMP-058 on your browser, and you can download this guideline if you want a brief knowledge about the guidelines for this project. Okay, so we'll be discussing about the project report, the project guidelines of postgraduate diploma in agribusiness, PGDAB. Okay, so the most important thing, however, there's so many things mentioned in the guideline, but I will directly tell you the most important things that has to be considered while making your proposal and project. Okay, so the first thing is selection of topic. So you can read here, in order to proceed with your project work, the learner can select any topic of his choice. The title should be definitive, communicating, key information about the study should be given there. Okay, so this is the general definition, how and what kind of topic you have to select. The second thing, the most important thing, the themes of topics are mentioned in the guidelines. Okay, I'll just read some of them. A study on government policies to boost agribusiness in India, a study on the effects of specific machinery on the agricultural efficiency, analysis of cost benefits of mechanized farming, right? Poultry farming, goat farming, dairy farming, means it must be related to agriculture, right? And agricultural stuffs. There's so many themes already given in the guideline. You can read it, and you can select your topic as per your expertise or as per your interest. Okay, then and after selecting topic, you must understand you need the guide who will supervise your project work. Okay, so these are the basic qualifications that has to be there in your guide. I'm going to tell you that it's faculty in the School of Agriculture and other relevant disciplines at headquarters. Okay, approved counselors of agribusiness program and other similar programs having 5 years of teaching experience, professional holding master's degree in agriculture or agribusiness, dairy technology or allied disciplines having a minimum 5 years of experience. Well, that is must in your guide. So you can find whoever has done or has this kind of experience, you can make him your guide of your proposal and report. Okay, next thing, preparation of synopsis. So always remember that there's some points that has to be there in your proposal, and the guidelines is about it. The first thing is introduction. Then after, you need to mention your rationale of the study, and again you have to write the objective. How you can write the objectives of your study, that is mentioned already here. When you write your objective, you must start like to study the financial performance, to explore, to analyze, to investigate. So you have to write your objectives like this. This is the basic format. Okay, now let me tell you about the research methodology. What your research methodology must have is research design, nature and source of your data, sample and sampling technique, methods to be used for data collection, tools and techniques that will be used for data analysis, and statistical tools to be used for analysis. Okay, and then after, you have to mention the research limitation, what kind of problems you might face while making your project, that has to be mentioned over here. Next thing is, however, it is not mentioned here, but you also have to write the references of your review of literature. at last. And any kind of annexures, if your supervisor tell you, you can attach your annexure in your synopsis as well. And after that, you can submit your synopsis for approval. Okay. Now, while submitting a synopsis, you must mention these things. Never miss out this. Otherwise, your synopsis won't get approved. You must attach the biodata of your guide, and then after, uh, performa that has been given by the university. You have to attach with that. So these you can read these things to have brief knowledge. Let's move to the next thing, which is project report submission, preparation of report. So while making the chapterization of your report, you must include introduction, research methodology, result and discussion, summary and conclusion, recommendations, limitations, reference or bibliography, annexures, appendix if you have used any questionnaire or kind of tools for your data collections. So these are the most important things that your dissertation or project report have. And uh, while submitting your project, you must ensure that your proposal has been approved by the university. Okay, so these are the overall main things that I already have shared you. If you want more depth knowledge about it, you may go through this guideline. Okay, these are the annexures that you have to, like certificate of originality, you have to put it with your project, right? And this is performa for project proposal. You have to attach it with your proposal. So these are the main things, and these annexures are attached with the what it called, okay, guideline. Okay, so you can download it from there and attach to your project report and proposal. So in this video, we already discussed how you can make your proposal and project report for MAMP-058 of PGDAB course of IGNOU. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I want to tell you that if you feel any discomfort while making your project report, you can directly contact us. We will definitely help you with this issue, and we will make it as per desire, mm, uh, as per your interest, and it will be customized as you said, and you can share your topic on which you want the project to be done. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. I'll definitely come again with another wonderful topic. Till then, have a great day.